In this video, I will guide you how you can deposit and withdraw balance on Exodus wallet. So first of all, this is the main interface of Exodus wallet, and let's say you want to deposit, or in other words, if you want to purchase any of the cryptocurrency, first of all you're gonna need to click on the buy button. Then if you have some money into your account, it's alright. If you don't have, you can also add at the same time. Now let's say you have some money into your account, as you can see $150 as an example. This is going to calculate my crypto, and then also it is going to show me an option of buy and sell with PayPal, which I can click on it and follow the on-screen instructions of connecting or purchasing with PayPal. But right now let's click on the continue on the bottom of your screen, and this is going to take me to a third-party provider, which is moonpay.com in this case. Now in order to check out, you're just gonna need to continue with Google or Apple. After creating your account, you just gonna need to enter your billing address, and then you need to enter the details of your credit or debit card, and you will be able to purchase. Now at the same time you can click on the sell button, and as of in the Texas, I cannot sell the crypto right now. Again, you will gonna see the different options according to the country that you are living in. So hope this help. This is how you can deposit and withdraw balance on your Exodus wallet.